Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, where I am finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep me focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So recently, you guys, I have been on the search for some recipes that I can bring to my Thanksgiving keto table. If you have not seen some of my previous videos, I mentioned the fact that last year I wasn't keto, this year I am. So I want to test some recipes before I actually bring them to my Thanksgiving table, because you guys, I am all about the Thanksgiving food. Love, love, love Thanksgiving and the food that goes along with it. So I'm not gonna wait until Thanksgiving week to start trying out these things. So I am on the search right now to find those recipes that are worthy of my table. And one of the recipes that I came across that looks really, really good is a dressing recipe. And this is by a young lady, her channel is called Sincerely Lagenia. And it is a cornbread dressing, and the main ingredient in it obviously is the cornbread. So I found the recipe for that as well. And when I tell you Lagenia was really happy, okay, as far as that cornbread is concerned, it made me happy, so I had to try it. And you guys, that's exactly what I did. And I'm gonna show you the how-to and the footage in a moment, but see that right there? That is how it came out. Unbelievable, you guys. So I was so excited about this recipe, about this end product as well, that I had to come to you this morning and share with you just how much I love this cornbread. And here it is. This is it, you guys. And when I say that it is out of this world delicious, I kid you not, this is amazing. So I actually know why Miss Lagenia was so happy, because if she's watching this, okay, Lagenia, you and I, we're gonna dance together, girl, because this stuff is amazing. It is incredible. So I encourage you guys to try it. And another thing, the reason why I made it was because, again, I was going to use it, obviously, to make my dressing, but this is so good. I am going to make 2 batches of it. One is going to be for the actual dressing itself, and the other is going to be for the bread as a side, because it is in fact that good. So let me just go ahead and break this open for you guys so you can see on the inside. Oh my gosh. You guys, take a look at that. So, so, so good. So again, if you've not yet tried this, I encourage you to do so, because it is worth every second of it. It's so good. And again, this is morning that I'm doing this. I got my coffee here. I got my cornbread here. And I am a happy person. So, so, so good. So you guys, please do give this recipe a try. Leave your comments below and let us all know how much you love it. And please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. And please do press that subscribe button below if you've not yet done so. So you guys, I'm going to continue in my morning and enjoy my coffee and enjoy this delicious keto-friendly cornbread. And I hope you have a wonderful day as well. Now stay tuned, and I am about to roll the footage to show you how to put this together. Okay, everyone, we are going to start with the dry ingredients. So to a bowl, we're going to add 2 cups of almond flour. Then to that, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And mix those ingredients together until well combined. And you guys, that is it for the dry ingredients. And then we're going to be moving on to the wet ingredients. And I have a new bowl here, and to it we are going to add 2 eggs, and these eggs are room temperature, and then go ahead and whisk those together. And then we're going to add 3/4 to 1 stick of butter. And this butter is melted, but it has cooled down, so it does not cook the eggs. And then add 1/3 cup of buttermilk. And I made my buttermilk by taking some heavy whipping cream and adding about 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Thoroughly combine all those ingredients. And then the last thing that we're going to add to this is the corn extract. And obviously, because we are on a keto diet, we cannot eat corn because of the sugar content. So in order to get the flavor of the corn, we are adding this extract. And all we need for this is just 1/2 teaspoon. Now that this is ready, we are going to bring back the dry ingredients and we're going to combine the dry with the wet. And keep stirring these ingredients together until you end up with a smooth, lump-free batter. And this is looking really good. Now we are bringing in the hot cast iron skillet where I have melted some butter, probably about a tablespoon of butter. And we're going to go ahead and put this batter in this skillet. Smooth it out. And we are going to bring this to a preheated 400-degree oven where it will bake for 20 to 25 minutes. And you guys, here we have it. A delicious, moist, keto-friendly cornbread. And you guys, I promise you, this is mouth-watering. So you can cut a slice and add some additional butter to it. Add some keto-friendly jam to it if that's what you want to do. Or like me, just eat it just the way that it is. And again, I am going to cook some up as a side. And I am also going to make another batch that I am going to use for my cornbread dressing. Enjoy, you guys. Bon appetit.